I told you sometime that I'm going to talk about how I got a free Starlink dish, and I'll tell you the story, how it all started, what happened, and I was able to get a free Starlink kit. And I know that the experience I'm going to share in this video is going to help a lot of IT guys out there. I decided to be making videos about Starlink this season because I know that Starlink is still the latest in Nigeria. That is why I decided to be talking about Starlink this period, because I know that in my previous video, if you have not watched it, do well to watch it, where I talk about the fact that Starlink is back in Nigeria, for those that do not know. And Starlink remains the best, the best internet you can ever, have in Nigeria in terms of speed and reliability. I've been using Starlink and I'm an advocate of Starlink, not as if other networks are not doing well, but when it comes to speed, reliability, and availability, trust me, Starlink is the place to be now in Nigeria. Okay, so as a network engineer, I face problem every day, and there's this particular problem I had with Starlink, and I'm going to share it in this video. So please do not skip any part of this video. Follow through with me, and I'll share with you the problems I faced with Starlink, how I solved it, and how I got a free Starlink kit. I didn't pay a dime, and I got a free Starlink kit. How did it happen? That is the story I'm here to share with you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit that subscribe button, like what I'm doing, and then share it so that whenever I upload similar content, you'll be able to see it. One day I logged into my Starlink app and I saw Starlink unplugged or rebooting. Part of my troubleshooting steps, I had to check by rebooting the Starlink router, and when I did that, the problem persisted. Going further, I also did a reset, and for those of you that don't know how to reset your Starlink router when you have common issues like this, in my next video I'm going to talk about how you can reset the Starlink router. So I did the reset, it didn't work. I did factory reset, still it did not work. So I became very worried why my Starlink is not off. Normally there are cases where you have this issue, the only thing you need to do is to reboot the router and then your Starlink is off. But in this case, I tried all of that and nothing worked. So I became so worried, and I decided to give it a try, and that is why I am making this video, because I know some of you may have faced this issue, or some persons may have even condemned their dish because of this issue. So if you are having this issue that I had, where you log into your app and it's showing Starlink unplugged or rebooting, and you have done all of this thing I've said, it didn't work, stay with me in this video. I'm going to share with you some simple steps that I took, and I was able to receive a brand new Gen 3 Starlink dish without paying a dime. So, and I'm sure that if you follow the tips I'm going to share in this video, you are also going to get the same results. So after I've done all of this thing, that same evening I picked up my laptop and then I started to raise a ticket with Starlink. And so before then, I also went and bought a Starlink cable. I was thinking maybe the cable linking the router and the dish is faulty, since there is no way I could check it or test it. So I had to go and buy a new cable. And that was when I finally discovered that there's a problem with that dish. So what did I do? After checking the cable and doing all of those stuff, it still did not work. I decided to write to Starlink, and this is the message I wrote to them, explaining what happened. So after they went through my message and I told them I've done everything specified in their troubleshooting guidelines. Okay, check the cable. I was able to check the cable and there was no physical damage. I checked all of those things, everything was fine. And then I got a new cable and replaced, and yet the issue persisted. So I wrote to them, I said, look, I have done everything as a network engineer that I'm supposed to do. I have done my troubleshooting. I have even replaced another cable, and this dish is not coming up. So after reading the message, I was surprised, my people. The following morning, and I give it to Starlink. Their customer service is like no other. Less than 24 hours, I got a response from them, and they assured me that they have reviewed my ticket and they found out that truly my Starlink dish was actually bad. And then they gave me another shocker that I shouldn't worry. The next day they are going to process and send me another Starlink dish. This time that I'm going to receive a Gen 3 kit. I was using a Gen 2. I was surprised. And before I know it, less than 24 hours again, I got a DHL delivery email telling me that they have received an order to ship, a Starlink dish to me. My people, that was how Starlink delivered a brand new kit, a Gen 3 kit, and I was so happy. And then when I received it, I had to set it up, and I didn't even do any other thing because already I had an account with them. So my app already authenticated with the new dish. And to add to that, Starlink also gave me another 1 month of subscription. I give it to them. Thumbs up to Starlink. Their service is top notch. Their response almost immediate. So this is why I'm recommending Starlink to everybody. So if you are having this issue of your Starlink unplugged or rebooting, do not throw that dish away. Follow these simple things that I did, and I assure you, you are going to get a replacement. What are the steps? Number 1, check and examine your cable, the cable that connects Starlink router to the dish. Bring it down, examine it, and ensure that there is no place that it is broken or damaged or maybe destroyed by rodents. Check. If you check and nothing is wrong with your cable, and you have tried rebooting the Starlink router and it's still not coming up, then I'll encourage you to do what? Send a ticket. Go to your app, click on messages, click on new tickets, and then explain to Starlink what happened. I assure you, you are going to receive a brand new Starlink kit. And I tell you, this is mind-blowing. This is awesome. So if you like the information I'm giving you, if you like what I'm doing here, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel, because I assure you, I'm going to be giving you new updates. I'm going to be giving you new tips in area of IT, in area of networking. So please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.